I'm Rosario Torres, and I am a master's student at the University of Michigan, studying the higher education program with a concentration in diversity and social justice. I think my prior experience working in both financial aid and college admissions led me here. I had the opportunity to work at a very small Catholic liberal arts university. I became quickly interested in issues of access to higher education, but also of persistence in helping students graduate. I'm also here because I have a strong commitment to education. I'm a first-generation college student, and so I do believe that education is a public good and that it should be accessible to all. Higher education is a very broad issue, but we have concentrations here. And so I chose my concentration out of my own passions to provide access in higher education, particularly for underrepresented students. I think my degree here has exposed me to a lot of different issues within higher education, but also understand the history, the context that we're currently facing in higher education. And I've really appreciated taking classes also outside of the School of Education because I feel that it's allowed me to have a little bit of more flexibility with my education and my program. I had the opportunity to do my summer internship at the Kresge Foundation in Metro Detroit. I learned about the grant-making process from beginning to end, and that was very powerful. I think the best advice that I could give to a prospective student who's looking into CSHPE is to do your homework. I think it's important to visit the campus, to sit in on a class, or even get to know current students and just ask questions and experience student life and the great opportunities that are here at the university.